Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my experience using the service. Today, we're looking at Splitit, found at splitit.com. This platform offers a unique approach to buy now, pay later services. Instead of opening a new line of credit or taking out a loan, Splitit leverages the available credit you already have on your existing credit card. This means no credit checks, no applications, and no new debt added to your credit report. How does it work? Splitit essentially reserves the total purchase amount on your card. Then, it breaks down the payment into smaller, interest-free installments charged to your card each month. As you make your monthly payments, the reserved amount is gradually released. Let's illustrate this with an example. Imagine you're purchasing a new laptop for $1,200. With Splitit, you select the number of installments, say, 6 months. Splitit then reserves the full $1,200 on your card. Every month, you're charged $200 until the total amount is paid. Because the full amount is held as a reservation, you need to ensure you have sufficient available credit for the entire purchase price. This distinguishes Splitit from other buy now, pay later options that might only perform a soft credit check and approve you for a specific spending limit. One significant advantage of using Splitit is the absence of interest charges. You're essentially paying off the purchase price in manageable chunks without incurring any additional costs. This makes it a potentially attractive option for larger purchases where you prefer not to pay the entire sum upfront. However, it's crucial to remember that your available credit is reduced by the total purchase price until the final installment is paid. This could impact your ability to make other purchases with your card if you're close to your credit limit. Be sure to factor this into your budgeting. So, if you're looking for an interest-free way to spread out payments for larger purchases and already have available credit on your card, Splitit could be a viable solution.